The 1964 era SMS Lincoln penny. Imagine this for a moment. You're digging through an old jar of dirty pennies. They look dull, brown, scratched, maybe even ugly. You almost toss them back without a second glance. But what if I told you that one single penny in that pile, old, worn, and overlooked, could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars or even millions of dollars? This is not hype. This is not a rumor. This is one of the greatest mysteries in American coin history. Today, we're talking about the 1964 special mint set Lincoln penny, a coin so rare, so controversial, and so misunderstood that even experienced collectors sometimes walk right past it. And the most shocking part, many of these coins don't look shiny or perfect. Some look old. Some look dirty. Some look like pocket change. But if you know what to look for, this penny could change your life forever. Stay with me until the end, because the smallest details on this coin are the difference between 1 cent and a fortune. The year 1964 was absolute chaos for the U.S. Mint. America was facing a massive coin shortage. Silver prices were rising fast, people were hoarding coins, and the public didn't trust that their money would hold value. The mint was under intense pressure to produce billions of coins as fast as possible. In the middle of all this confusion, something extraordinary happened behind closed doors, something the mint never officially explained. Special mint sets were not supposed to exist in 1964. Officially, the first SMS coins appeared in 1965. But evidence proves that a very small number of 1964 special mint set coins were secretly produced, likely for testing dies, finishes, or presentation purposes. These coins were never released to the public. They were never announced. They were never documented. And yet they exist. The 1964 SMS Lincoln penny is not a proof coin. It is not a business strike. It sits in a mysterious category of its own. The surfaces are smoother than normal pennies, but not mirror-like like proofs. The details are sharper. Lincoln's portrait looks stronger and more refined. The fields have a soft, satin-like texture that looks completely different from regular circulation strikes. Many genuine 1964 SMS Lincoln pennies were mishandled, stored poorly, or spent accidentally. That means some real examples today are brown, spotted, toned, dirty, or lightly worn. And because collectors are trained to chase shiny red coins, these ugly examples are often ignored. But grading services don't care about shine alone, they care about strike quality, surface texture, and diagnostic features. Even a brown or dirty 1964 SMS penny can be worth a staggering amount of money. Authenticated 1964 SMS Lincoln pennies have sold for tens of thousands of dollars in lower grades. In higher grades, prices explode. One example sold for over $40,000 to $60,000, another pushed past $100,000. And top-tier specimens? They have crossed into the six-figure range with ease. Experts believe that if a perfect or near-perfect red example $150,000 were ever discovered, it could sell for well over $1 million. Some estimates go even higher because the population is unbelievably small, likely fewer than 50 genuine pieces in existence. This is rarer than many famous gold coins. Rarer than key date pennies most collectors dream about. And yet, it looks almost identical to a normal 1964 penny to the untrained eye. So how do you tell if that old, dirty 1964 penny in your hand might be something special? First, the strike. SMS coins have an unusually sharp strike. Look at Lincoln's cheek, jawline, and beard. On normal pennies, these areas often look soft or flat. On an SMS coin, they appear crisp, almost sculpted. The lettering is especially Liberty and should look bold and squared, not mushy. Next, the surface texture. This is critical. A 1964 SMS penny has a smooth, satin-like finish. It's not glossy like a proof, and it's not grainy like a circulation strike. Even if the coin is dirty or brown, tilted under light, the field should look silky, almost like fine fabric. That texture alone has fooled and shocked professional graders. Then look at the rims. SMS coins tend to have strong, well-formed rims with squared edges. Circulation strikes often have weaker rims, especially on older, worn pennies. Now let's talk about color, because this is where many people get it wrong. A dirty or brown color does not disqualify a 1964 SMS penny. In fact, several confirmed examples are brown. Some have carbon spots. Some show light wear. What matters is how the coin was made, not how it aged. And here's another shocker: many fake rare pennies flood the internet. But the 1964 SMS penny is extremely difficult to fake correctly. The surface texture, die characteristics, and strike quality are incredibly specific. That's why professional grading is essential. If you think you might have one, never clean it. Never polish it. Never try to make it shiny. Cleaning can destroy hundreds of thousands of dollars in value instantly. Coins gain value from rarity, demand, and story. The 1964 SMS Lincoln penny has all three at extreme levels. Its rarity is microscopic. Its demand is massive among elite collectors. And its story, a secret coin born during one of the most chaotic years in U.S. mint history, is legendary. Collectors love mystery coins. Coins the mint refuses to fully explain. Coins that challenge official records. And this penny does exactly that. Imagine being the person who finds one in an old estate collection, or a forgotten roll of pennies, or a dusty coffee can in a drawer. It has happened before, and it will happen again. This is why old, dirty coins should never be ignored. A scratched surface doesn't kill value. A brown color doesn't kill value. A little wear doesn't kill value. Ignorance kills value. Right now, somewhere in America, a real 1964 SMS Lincoln penny is sitting unnoticed. Maybe even spent. Maybe waiting to be discovered by someone watching this very video. And if you're holding a 1964 penny that looks just a little different, just a little sharper, just a little smoother than the rest, you owe it to yourself to get it checked. Because that 1-cent coin might not just be rare. And that is why the 1964 SMS Lincoln penny remains one of the most valuable, mysterious, and dangerous pennies to ignore in U.S. coin collecting history. Top identification tips and collecting. Most people mistake normal 1964 pennies for SMS coins. Use all of these checks. Surface quality smooth. Satin-like finish. No heavy cartwheel luster like regular circulation strikes. Looks cleaner even when the coin appears old or dirty. Strike sharpness. Lincoln's jawline, beard, and coat lines are extremely sharp. Letters and Liberty looks squared and crisp. Wheat-like sharpness even though it's a memorial. Reverse rim and edge strong. Well-defined rim's edge looks clean, not rough or weak. Die characteristics. Many genuine examples show light, die polishing lines. No bubbly copper surfaces, a sign of altered coins. Old and dirty can still be extremely valuable. A dirty or toned 1964 SMS penny can still be worth thousands if the surfaces are satin, not glossy. Details remain sharp under dirt or toning. There's no harsh cleaning damage. Never clean one. Cleaning can destroy 90% of the value instantly. Storage and handling tips. Hold by the edges only. Store in mylar flips or hard plastic holders. Avoid humidity. Copper reacts fast. Never polish or wipe. Proper storage protects long-term value, where collectors actually find them. Most known examples were found in old estate collections, in original 1960s coin hoards mixed into normal penny collections. By mistake, many were not recognized for decades, which means undiscovered examples still exist.